Welcome to the Universal Group of Institution, Bangalore. Legal challenges to Great Nicobar Infrastructure Project. The Great Nicobar Infrastructure Project faces intensified legal challenges with recent reports, environmental concerns, and jurisdictional disputes being addressed in the National Green Tribunal and Calcutta High Court. High-Powered Committee Review. A report by an high-powered committee formed by the National Green Tribunal was submitted to the National Green Tribunal's Kolkata bench. The report concluded that the proposed transshipment port falls in Island Coastal Regulation Zone 1B and not Island Coastal Regulation Zone 1A, where ports are prohibited. The high-powered committee was formed in response to appeals challenging green clearances for the 72,000 crore project. Environmental concerns and activist appeals. Environmental activist Ashish Kothari and Conservation Action Trust challenged the environmental and forest clearances. Concerns included irreversible damage to biodiversity, inadequate impact studies, and impact on tribal communities. The special NGT bench found no grounds to interfere with forest clearances but noted deficiencies regarding coral conservation and port location. About Great Nicobar Island Development Project. Comprehensive infrastructure upgrade. Rupees 72,000 crore project covering 16,610 hectares implemented by Andaman and Nicobar Islands Integrated Development Cooperation. Key developments. International Container Transshipment Terminal. Greenfield International Airport. 2. Greenfield Cities. Coastal Mass Rapid Transport System. Free Trade Zones. 450 megawatt gas and solar waste power plants. Strategic importance. Enhances India's security and military presence. Located near Malacca State, vital for maritime economy. Addresses Chinese naval influence in the Indo-Pak region. About Great Nicobar Island. Location and size. Southernmost and largest Nicobar Island. 910 square kilometer of tropical rainforest in southeastern Bay of Bengal. Indra Point is 90 nautical miles from Sumatra's northern tip. Ecological and human elements. Home to 2 national parks and a biological biosphere reserve. Populated by Sompins, Nicobarese tribes and non-tribal settlers. Geography: hilly terrain with lush rainforest. 3,500 mm annual rainfall. Habitat for endangered species like giant leatherback turtle, Nicobar megapode. Thank you and stay tuned with us for more updates. Visit our website universalinstitution.com.